Gifting an amigurumi means gifting something handmade and thoughtful, and that's what makes it special. It doesn't have to be perfect to be cherished. Its value comes from the time, care, and love stitched into every part of it. Hi, I'm Anna. I'm a crochet and amigurumi designer with 16 years of experience. I'm the crochet designer behind Buddirumi. You can find my fun and whimsical patterns at Buddirumi, Etsy, and now here on Skillshare's digital shop as well. Welcome to my new class, Amigurumi for Beginners Crochet a Heart Keychain, where you'll learn how to crochet this super cute amigurumi heart keychain. This quick project is perfect for beginners or for anyone looking for a quick make for themselves or to gift. You can use the amigurumi hearts as charms, keychains, or little decor around the house. I'm so excited to share this class with you. Let's get started on our amigurumi heart.